Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about how the installation of the Visual Studio is being done. It may be 2015, 2017 or any of the versions you have to mainly install. Before installing your Visual Studio, you should know your .NET framework. It has to have been already installed within the system. Like you have to install the .NET framework within the system. First that version it has to be installed. Then you move on to the next concept where you have to install the Visual Studio Community. Okay, there are various concepts, but in your syllabus mainly you have to consider the installation of the Visual Studio Community. It has the various concepts. You can see you have the various editions here. So in that editions, first you have to install the Visual Studio Community. All others are said to be optional. You need not install. It will be present in the software, but while installing you only consider the Visual Studio Community part. Okay. So next, when you come with this screen, you have to take that option which has to be downloaded. Then you move on to a setup file. It will be installed on your system. Okay, mainly it will be the screen like this. You have to install that particular setup file. Okay, when you are set to be installing, you will be given with a link here. You can see here a exe file link it will be given, so that it has to be clicked and you have to start the setup. Then it starts installing within your system. It takes time. Since Visual Studio it has many of the frameworks, many of the softwares, it takes time to install within the system. Mainly maybe 15 minutes or half an hour it may take to install the software. Maximum it may be, nowadays it is said to be nearly 15 minutes it gets installed into your system. Okay, this mainly it runs with a setup file and you have to click that setup file and say setup. Okay, this is the second step. Then you move on to a third step where you have the another concept where you have to double click on that particular link. Okay, mainly double clicking is nothing but your Visual Studio Community edition it will be having, that it has to be double click, and then you go on for the run command. When you run, it starts installing within your system your software. Okay. Then afterwards the next step which goes is, here you can see it will be asking for the location where to install your software. Mainly all the softwares it will be installed there only in the C drive, but you may choose your own drive and you may install. Here the option is there, you can browse it and you can install in any other drives also, in the D drive, E drive or F drive. You can install your software. Okay, this is the part where you install the Visual Studio. When you move on with that run setup, it will ask with this screen. It may be 2015 or it may be 2017. You may choose. Same steps are being considered in both the aspect. You will be coming up with the same screens. Okay, so when you choose the drive here, so next you move on to, it starts with acquiring all the aspects in the community aspect in the Visual Studio. It starts installing all the features of the Visual Studio in that concept. Okay, here you can see it starts saving the files into your system. Okay. After installation is finished, it starts up with the Visual Studio Community. Okay, when setup is being run, it will start up with a screen like this, Visual Studio Community for 2015. A setup it will be run and it will be complete. Now the system asks for your restarting of your system. So once again it restarts your system and it will start up with a community like this. Okay, then when after restarting, you can go into your system and in the options, when you click the start button and it starts with various options and you have the various options here. You can see here the options are there. You have the Visual Studio 2017. It may ask, it may come up with the 2017. That option it will be present in front of you. After clicking on this, you move on to either already, if it is sign up, since you are using the software which is said to be already installed in the system, it will be installed by the person who is said to be already installed and he has already signed up with his features. Already it will be signed up, so you need not sign it. Or once again, if you are newly installing it in your system, you may sign up into the Visual Studio. Okay. Afterwards, when you move on further, it may have in the Visual Studio various aspects. It may be like you have the workload, you have the individual comments, it may be language pack or the installation location, everything it may be present. So one by one, which to check and which to uncheck, that you should be knowing. So which features you want to include within your community, that would be there. So in the first aspect, in the workloads, you can see here the second part is being considered, that is being checked, and the third part or fourth part, that is being checked. You need the ASP web development programs you need, so you check for that, and the Windows whatever files are there, and even the C# language or any of the languages files you want to execute, that it will be checked. Okay, this is the first part. Then in the individual commands, everything it will be checked. Here you can see all these are being checked. Okay. And next part, the language tools. Mainly remember, when you are having the language tools are being present, then main aspect is that you have to choose the language. You can see here language is being considered here is English language, so you have to choose that particular language pack within your system. Okay, then when you move on to the installation location, where the location or the data it has to be packaged and installed, it will be present here. You can see here you have used the C drive, or the C drive, all the data it will be installed, your packages it will be present in that particular drive. All others here it will be automatically checked, you need not check it. Okay, so this part you have to know. And before installing, you can see here the aspect mainly it is being considered here, the total space required, the space within the system it should be available, since it takes your software to install in GBs. So your space, memory space in your device or system, it should be having that particular GB space when you are installing. It needs more memory, your Visual Studio. Okay. Then install it, it starts installing your community, everything it will be installed, it downloads everything, community aspects, its features, everything it will be downloaded. If you are using the C# language, it will install all the C# language information, everything it will be downloaded. Okay. Then after the downloading everything, you can see here one aspect is there, you have to program your aspects in a normal way in the general factor. So you have to choose the aspect as general, and then you have to start with the Visual Studio. Okay. Then it enters into your Visual Studio. You start entering into the Visual Studio. You can see here the screen comes and starts opening your screen, your Visual Studio. And after opening, after installation everything, you can directly open it and you can go for that particular Visual Studio 2017, and in that you have the software. This mark it will come, you can see here this mark, wherever this mark is there, there you have to click it and automatically enter into your particular community. In that community you can see here options will come. If you want to prepare a new project, it will come up with a new project and you have to do your project. Means nothing but you are designing one program. In that program, after this step you have to choose the languages. Okay, mainly that it will be considered later. When I want to run the program, I will show it to you how to run the program, where to go, how to go. In the next session you will learn. So these all sections you have learned about how the installation of the Visual Studio is being done within the system. It may be 2015 or it may be 2017. It is the same. Okay. So these are the installation steps. You have to install it carefully one by one when you are installing that particular software. Okay.